Hey everyone, so I made it back into a new Marshalls. So I'm finding some new face masks right here with the snowman by the Creme Shop. We have Be Cheerful Skin. Oh look, you get a little top hat on your face. Of course you get 3 for $5. And Santa is still around. Oh, what is this one? Oh, it's like a hand massage glove. Okay. So you're gonna put the glove on and that's what it means. Interesting. I do love a good hand massage. I know, it sounds weird. Coconut and rice. This one is new. Oh, Pisces. Tons of Pisces today. Oh gosh, do not fall over. And the vitamin C. That's all they have. And that's firming, okay. But I think you only get one in here. A 2-step. Yeah, you do get one. And these are $8.99. Sometimes you can find one with 5. Here's another Dr. Jart firming solution. There's quite a bit for $13, and you only get 5. Pink clay, retinol, vitamin E. Okay, that's new. Plenty of Estee Lauder today, so these are $40 for night repair eye cream. Then we have Algenus, which is pretty good too, $17. Liquid collagen, this is hand cream. Then we have ultimate anti-aging cleanser, that's $15. Kate Somerville, little acne one, foaming cleanser. You know, I don't think I've seen this one here for $17, but you know, it's a pretty good brand. Here's a little mini acne treatment. And for hydrating face primer by BH Paradise Prime. More Algenus. We have blue algae vitamin C, a dark spot correcting peel. This one is $15. And I want to say this brand is supposed to be good. I'm trying to remember. It's a walnut scrub. Oh, you know what? Walnut stuff like that's not good for your face. $10. Little mini elves are $4. We have hydrating booster and clarifying. So I end up finding this Elizabeth Arden like makeup bag set. Okay, you get 12 full size favorites and a skin booster. You know what it reminds me of? $40. You know how you go to Macy's or Dillard's and you spend so much and you get like a makeup, but only $40 here. So we have MAC for $18. You get a strobe cream and a prep and prime. Okay, there's like 2 of those. This one's $13. I'm just gonna randomly like go through it. It's kind of messy already. Oh, there's Jaclyn Hill. What is that? Her face palette. Let me turn it around. $13. These are new for me. They're gonna be $8. I love the cover. Those are really cute. Let's see. $40. No makeup highlighter. Okay, I didn't even know they have stuff like this. Let's see, we have instant blur, no makeup, and face finishing and firming moisturizer. The face, eye, and hand essentials. $40 and $59. Ooh, you know what? I have never tried this, but I hear some good stuff about it. Okay, and everything here looks like, you know, roller balls for your face. Look at this one in the middle. That's kind of cool. Sonic facial cleanser. A sleeping mask. You get some oil in here. And more face scrubby. Tons of makeup bags. Oh, you know what? We found a new one. Is this for Valentine's Day? Oh my gosh. We got love. We got hearts around already. Look at this doggy, my bestie. $10. I feel like dogs are our bestie, right? My husband's probably rolling his eyes. But this one's new because you know how normally we find the ones with the girls all together. It says love on it. That's really cool. I like the side. And you know what? They also have this print. It's pretty much the same print, just a different bag. So these are cool, and they're $8 no matter the size. I noticed. So cute. There's a little doggy one, purple. So much makeup bags, $10. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. Here's a Juicy Couture for $15. If you love Juicy, get 3 bags, large makeup cases. We have caboodles in here. You know what? I do plan on getting a makeup case. I'm gonna throw all my daughter's stuff in there because my sink is just becoming a mess. That's a really nice set too right here, like a traveling one. This is kind of cool, right? I think it's neat. Let me find out the price. $10. Here's another doggy. So cute. It's just so cute. $25 for the large case. And look, they have a pink and a black one. A little lip print. Oh, look, you guys, another one. $8. Okay, so cute. Selfie with your bestie. Oh gosh, really cool stuff. But this one's kind of cool too. Caught my eye. It's like a velvet. Oh, it is. Vince Camuto. Retails for $49. Jeez. But $15 here in the Marshalls. You can't beat that. Okay, plenty of the Aztec Secret. Let's see. $5.99. A deep pour. And the largest 10. So not really a big difference, like $5 more. Okay, they have tons of perfume. I feel like all of it might be the same. I'm gonna try to go through it as best as I can. Okay, Michael Kors, like this little mini one, is $29.99. Vince Camuto, $20. Tommy Girl, which is like my all-time favorite, $20. Red Door, $25. $29. I see this one, but I don't know who it is. Kate Speed, $27. Sun Kiss is $10. Eternity for Women Air. It looks like $29. This Coach, of course, for $50. I'm not sure if this is the one I wanted. There's one that kind of smells like grapefruity. I have to go back to Macy's. Michael Kors again. Jimmy Choo, $35. And this is $50. Curve Daisy Dream by Marc Jacobs is $40. But what's down here?
I've never seen those.
$5.99. Huh. These are new for me, but the packaging is very interesting. Huh. New for me. Okay, we have Midnight Fantasy. Somebody was asking about that. This one's going to be $20. I haven't seen this set yet in Walmart. I haven't seen it. The small one will be $13. And this Guess Dare is $15. Oh, look, here's another one. These are really interesting. Huh. Okay, what is this one? Oh, Kate Spade, like a little mini one. They're $8. In Full Bloom, $20. Now, I know a lot of people love this brand. Now, this is going to be body cream, so not perfume. Oh, no price, actually, $24. So Calvin Klein, which I believe we've seen this set before. You get the lotion and perfume for $29.99. Sarah Jessica, again, $25. Body spray and perfume. It's another one. We have Lovely Guess Today, which is kind of cool. I haven't seen the Guess set, so $25. Perfume, body lotion, and roll-on. Jenny, I feel like we see her all the time. Betsy Johnson, and Escada. Candy Love, really? $40. I need to smell that. I do love Escada, but I will tell you, it does, I feel like it wears off. So you need like the body roll too to keep in your handbag. I know we've seen this one already, but just in case, $32. The brand I can never say, Bulgari. It looks like maybe 45.
It's a Roman V. Or Roman U, sorry.
And little tiny mini perfumes down here are $13. Let's see, we have Jet Set. They look like body sprays for 15. The Matcha Ocean Citron. Interesting. I haven't seen this one. Oh, and Sugar Plum smells really good. I'm not sure if I told you already, but I like it. It's a really nice, cute scent, like for a teen too. Apple Bottom Jeans by Nelly. It's still around. There's actually plenty here. It's like they're bringing it all out. Normally you rarely find that. And Coach. Okay, we have Poppy, Signature, and Legacy for $29.99. Burberry Brit, $40. A more Kate Spade for $30. And 32 here. That's a full size by Kate Spade. Coach Poppy on top, $29. And Juicy Couture, this one's $49.99. Looks like 22 and 20. DKNY Bay Breeze is only 20. And of course, body spray. Let's see, Pink Friday by Nikki. I believe they're all going to be 7. Yeah. Thank You Next is 8. And Aeropostale is $5.99. You see, this one's $5.99. More Gas is 7. Let me pull this one out. That's 7 as well. And then $5.99. Pink Apple. BB Glam. What is this one? I don't know if I've seen this one. $6, $5.99. So this one's really interesting by Steve Madden. You know how normally we find it like in a gift set for handbags? We have a belt and chain. That is $17. But check this out on top. I found these. They're $25 by Christian Serrano. So look, it's like a little jewelry holder. Or maybe lipstick. They even have a cat one. I've never seen that. Oh, look at this little mini one by Madden Girl. Let's see. For only 20. The handle. It's like really cute and simple. The child, it looks like a wristlet. These are 15. And look at guys, they have this really cute Disney one. Look at her posing. Again, this one's 15. A zip around, all around one. Yeah. And look at that one with all the faces. How cute. I've never seen these. Let me show you the number real quick. I do get asked because, you know, you could shop online too at Marshall's. And maybe you could find it. Can't find the price for this, but by Cynthia, you get a backpack. Here's your little strap, card holder, and you do get velvet scrunchies. Kind of like that off yellow Coach for $150. And $150 for the large tote in white. They have some really cute belts in here. Juicy Couture, $8 with the gold hardware, little heart. And they even have like this chain one. Look, it's gonna say Juicy all over it. It's in gold for $10. It's a nice one, and I believe a silver if you're not a fan of gold. Michael Kors, and of course the chain. Vince Camuto for $13. It's a really thick one. And check out this Juicy Couture chain. They have a little key, a little pearl. Oh, that's kind of cool. I love looking at all the new belts. And we have that bungee one here by Steve Madden. A little mini Juicy Couture. Very, very simple for 10. This one, you get the belt. It's kind of like a little mini chain. And you could adjust that to how you want it to hang. For 8. You know what? That's kind of neat. And look at the heart one. Let's see. I believe the heart one is only $8, so not bad. Then if you want the word says juicy with your leopard print for only 8. Some bucket hats in here for 13. Just found these randomly. It's another Mickey Mouse one for 13. It looks like juicy in the back. See, I see Ellen Tracy, Tahari. It's a green Ellen Tracy. I don't want stuff to knock over. $29.99 double buckle. $29.99. This one you can have a double chain in the back. Buy 7 at $25. So they have the white booty, and you know what? They also have it in black. I see plenty of Ray Dunn here. These are $15. These are by Cushionaire in red for 20. I know you could find it in the nude. Oh my goodness, they have a Blippy shoe for $17. Comes with a little bow tie up front. How crazy. And look at this Skechers one for 25. Maybe just a little fur in the ankle. It is Velcro. And Hurley is a 20. Tons of Blue's Clues, like a drum, a set. They have these poppets. You know, we've been finding them everywhere. Multicolor, they're $8. So it looks like they're pretty filled in here. A Lala Loopsy. I remember this. It's coming back because Walmart is like fully stocked. Here you get little foam in here, like little aliens, spaceships. And then you get a surprise for $7. There's a lot of toys right now. Mini brands. What is that? Like a little supermarket to hold all of them? Oh, that's kind of cool. Plenty of baby toys. I see a Mickey, of course, you know, for clothing. There's so much stuff going on. Look at this little guy back here. He's like way down there. You have a little pillow with the unicorn. Actually, 15. You get a pillow and a blanket. Really, really soft. They only have unicorn. Play-Doh 7. What is this one? Lollipop set. Okay, that's kind of cool. A lot of more, you know, slime, foam, cloud slime. That's what they're calling it for $4. Oh my goodness. 'Tis the season, y'all, for rude people. Oh my gosh. That's a good one. That's for like schooling though. Oh, we want to teach them how to tie their shoe. These are $8. $8. Plenty of Melissa and Doug, like alphabet and dinosaur, magnetic. And books. Oh gosh, Harry the Dirty Dog. I remember this book. $5.99. I think I checked that book out quite a bit in school. Remember the days where you open up the book and you had the paper card and it tells you everybody who checked it out?
Oh,
Then you
yeah.
Oh damn. I'm not old, but remembering that, it just brings it back.
Remember the card catalog?
Oh yeah. The card catalog.
They actually had cards in it. Yeah.
$24. It's kind of funny. You can find an iron and you can put water in it for vapor effect. Huh. That's so funny. So Tasty has toys for children. Let's see, $29.99, a donut shop set. Okay, that looks kind of like the mushroom guy from Mario a little
Toad.
bit. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Look, they even have a kettle. What? They're getting into the children toys. 17. 12 days of socks. Look at this one. We have Homer for 15. All I think of is I am evil Homer. I don't know why.
He's dancing.
Yeah. Hey guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.